All right, guys, we have map testing scheduled for this Monday and Tuesday. Um, let me see. So we had our map goal setting sheet. Our map test is right here under district assessments. Now, you've already done 2 rounds of map testing, one with language arts and one with math, so hopefully this is familiar. I did initially think that we were going to have to only allow you to test during your assigned class time. However, after talking with Ms. Bates and a few other teachers, we figured out that we can hopefully leave the test open for you so that you may be able to finish the test all on Monday instead of having to do it over 2 different test sessions, Monday and Tuesday. So I've modified our daily slide for Monday to say, I was able to leave the test open so you can keep testing even after class ends, but it would just be for Monday, okay? Because MAP resets everything the end of each day. So our test session ID for our class is PER HC1 SCIF. So it's for Perry, my initials, Haley Carroll. This is our first day testing or first attempt, right? SCI for science and F for fall. Now the access code, I don't have it yet, and I won't have it until I turn the test on Monday morning. So this slide with this correct information, once I activate the test, will be available in our live meetings on Google Meets on our class days. I don't really know where else I could put that since it's going to change each day. The URL for where to access the map test is going to be on the slide. Now the thing is, you're going to have to write down the access information because once you go to that website, it locks you out of all your other tabs, right? So there's that. And then when you do finish your test, I need you to write down your scores on your goal setting sheet. Go back to our class real quick. Your goal setting sheet's going to be right above the link for this to get to the test. So your map goal setting sheet's here. When you open that, you'll have access to your sheet again down here at the bottom when it loads. It won't let me see it on here because it's just your copy. But once it does load, you need to add that information. Let me see if I can pull that up to show you real quick. Now it does say write your actual score in the fall map row after you take the map on 9/28, 9/29. Okay. Down. Come on. There we go. So I have it highlighted yellow. This is where you'll put your scores. And there are spots for a few different scores there. So you've got your overall score is going to be that first column. And then you have matter, energy, force and motion, earth and space, and organisms. Okay. So you'll have your overall score going in this, and then each of the different categories going in those. If you have questions, I'm going to try and basically post all of this in all 4 classes at the same time on Monday. So as people log in, they can go ahead and get started. If you have questions, though, we're just going to be there during our assigned class times to field questions for each of those classes. So I can't be in 4 places at once. Okay. I hope that everybody's experiences with MAP the last 2 weeks help get you through your MAP for science. Hopefully we can do this with as little stress as possible so that we can move on and keep learning about the earth and all the inner workings and what happens on the surface due to those inner workings. See everybody on Monday.